My name is Olivier J.P. Nduhungirehe, and I am the Ambassador of the Republic of Rwanda to the Kingdom of the Netherlands. I arrived last year in November, and I represent Rwanda to the Netherlands, but also to the three Baltic countries, Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania, and also to international organizations that are based here in The Hague, which are the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, or PCW, the International Court of Justice, ICJ, and also the Permanent Court of Arbitration, the PCA. Today, or this month, we are celebrating the 15th anniversary of the opening of this embassy in The Hague. So I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate the government of Rwanda and the government of the Netherlands for this achievement. I want to recall that after the 1994 genocide perpetrated against the Tutsi, the Netherlands was among the first to intervene in Rwanda to respond to the crisis through emergency assistance, and they opened their embassy in 1995. And then we had a fruitful cooperation in many sectors, especially in justice sector, justice, reconciliation, law and order, but also in other sectors like food security, water resource management. So for the justice sector, which was an important sector for Rwanda, especially in the aftermath of the genocide against the Tutsi, the Netherlands helped Rwanda in rebuilding or renovating infrastructure of justice, especially courtrooms, but they also trained judges, prosecutors, and other professionals of justice. But also, which is also important, since the opening of our embassy here in the Netherlands, we have accountability for genocide fugitives here in the Netherlands. There are two genocide fugitives who were prosecuted, tried, convicted, and sentenced by Dutch court. But we had also three genocide fugitives who were extradited to Rwanda, and there are others, a number of others that are under investigation for extradition. So we have very good cooperation in that sector, justice sector, but also in many other sectors. Trade, investment and tourism is also an important sector of cooperation or exchange between the two countries. There are a number of companies, investors from the Netherlands in Rwanda. There is Heineken, Royal DSM, there is KLM that has started flying to Kigali, directly to Kigali in 2010, but there is also Unilever in tea processing. So the trade and investment is increasing day by day, and we have also trade in horticulture sector, especially for flowers, fruits and vegetables. So meaning that this opening of the embassy in 2006 has contributed to the promotion of our cooperation, of our relations, but also to increase the volume of trade and investment between the two countries. And we hope that as we are now in a new phase, we are transitioning now from aid to trade. We will be able to really continue on that path of promoting our cooperation and trade and investment. Then I think that this embassy, the staff, meaning the diplomatic staff, but also the administrative staff, are working hard to really improve and promote our relations and cooperation. And this is what we hope for the next 15 years to come and beyond. Thank you very much.